here's how we can send a photo as a file in the Telegram on iPhone. So it makes kind of like a difference if you send it from the gallery or from a different place. So let me show you how it exactly works. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So of course, you open up the Telegram channel. You can tap on the paperclip icon and import a photo from the gallery, which is going to be sent as a picture, whatever. But if you switch to the file selection, you can see that we can select from files, and in here we have the ability to pick a file, which is technically a photo, but it's part of the Files app. And if you share it over like that, you can see that we don't see any preview of that, but it's instead like sent as a file. So it is technically a photo, but it is showing up as a file. The file icon is right there. It's telling you the extension that it's JPEG or PNG, for example. And when you view it, it kind of shows you what it is, but it's not sent over the Photos interface. So as you can see, we do not see the preview, and that makes the whole difference. So if you send the photo from the gallery, it's going to appear as a photo right away. And if you want to send it as a file, you have to send it from the Files app. But if you want to actually store the photo to the Files app, if you have it in the gallery, what you're going to do is to find it in here, click on Share and Save to Files first, so you can then import it from Files to Telegram, if it makes sense, right? So that's how you can basically do it. I really hope that I was able to explain it well to you. Let me know what you think, hit the thumbs up for more, and I hopefully will see you in the future tutorials too.